Hey guys, welcome to this lecture, and in this lecture we are going to talking about the update statement in the database. The update statement is used to change or modify the existing record in a database table. This statement is typically used in conjunctions with a where clause to apply the change to only those records that match the specific criteria. Let's suppose here you can see that you have to execute the update class, and then you have to write your table name right here, and then you can set the values to it. Let's suppose set the value anything, and then after that you have to use where class with it, and then after that you have to set the changes of it. Okay, let's just see how we use it. This is our old code what I just already studied about. This is a connection. If the connection is failed, so this is an error, and if we can update this query, so here you can see that I just update this right on update because I am just creating the variable update right here. Here you can see that I just create update right here. So this is my variable, and the variable name here is update. Now here I just write update, which is equal to, here I just write that update, and the update here is human. So I just update human right here. Now after this I just set. So sets means that you want to set any of the values right here. You can see that here you can see after that here is write that the last name. So last name is my column name, and last name is equal to, here is write David. Okay, so this is the last name David, and here I just write where. Now here you can see that I just use where command. So where id is equal to 2, or id is equal to 3 right here. Okay, and now here you can see that I have to close this code right here. You can see that how simple is it to update your command with the help of MySQL right here. Now you can see that I'm just running this command here into that browser, and here you can see that this is the update. And when I just run this code, so you can see here record are successfully inserted. So here this means a record are successfully update right here. Okay, now here you can see when I just run this code right here, and after this refreshing this page, so you can see here human, and this is our id number 3, where it's set the David number 1 to David right here. Let's just change this id right here from the David 4. Here you can see that I just want to change this id for David 4, and I just set this name from hi hello. Okay, you can see that. Now here refresh this page to update this record. You can see here, now refresh this as well. So here you can see that on the place of David 4, here you can see that I just changed the last name here is, which is hi and hello. Hope so you understand now that how simple you can convert or you can update your record with the help of MySQL query. If you find any of the problem regarding this lecture, please let me know, and thanks for watching this lecture.